What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode from CA Builds. We're finally back, and the title of the video is no clickbait. Our 2020 Toyota Supra actually got stolen. I've been wanting to make this video for super long now. It's just been super crazy, but in this video I'll go over everything that's happened until now, what's happened to the Supra and where the Supra is right now. But to start with, me and my wife did welcome a baby girl to the world, and you parents out there know how much work a newborn takes. And also, if you see the background for all the OG viewers, you do see that we are at a new house right now, and that's part of the reason why I've been gone for so long. And both Tyson and Stella are still here. What's up, buddy? Want to say hi to the camera? We got Tyson right here, Stella somewhere inside over there, and do have a whole bunch of parts over here. They are to this truck. I've been wanting to film it as well, just couldn't really get to it. So we'll probably keep this one off camera for now. But this is our new house right here, and let me tell you, it looked nothing like this when we got it. This thing was like a dump. It was basically a shed. I'll probably post a couple pictures over here so you guys can see what this area looked like before and what it looks like right now. Did a full renovation on it, and this is something I've been wanting to record for you guys. Get a house like this, remodel it, and show you guys the process. But we were in such a time crunch. We had to get everything done as soon as possible, get ready for the baby, so I just really didn't have time to record this one. And we are pretty close to the freeway right here, so if there is any background noise, I do apologize for that. And also, guys, let me know if you know of any good microphones that I can use to record for you guys that can cancel out the background noise of the freeway, because usually it's a lot louder than this. And there's actually a dog park right there, which is pretty cool for the dogs. That's pretty much where I've been gone all this time, just trying to get the house remodeled, and still having a full-time job is pretty crazy, but I am back, and we're gonna have some epic builds for you guys. And now about the Supra. So our 2020 Toyota Supra did get stolen, the one we rebuilt on the channel. So if you guys haven't seen those videos, I'll probably link them somewhere down below. But I'll tell you guys the whole story of what happened, how it got stolen. But before that, I think I'm actually gonna go to the shop where the Supra is located at right now, just so you guys could see it first, and then we'll go with the story of how it got stolen. All right, we made it to a shop where the Supra is at. This shop is actually working with my insurance company to dig in deeper, see if there's any more damage to the car. And I don't know why I'm a little nervous to see it. I've seen, I think, twice after this happened. All right, check it out. Here it is. So this front bumper right here did get damaged at Copart because the insurance took it over there, so that did not happen when it got stolen. The only thing that really happened over here, I don't even know if you'll see it on camera, but there's a couple scratches right here. There's some over there. Somewhere else over here on the bumper, there was a couple scuffs. And then this rim right here got scuffed up right there. And then the main thing that really happened is this trunk right here. So everything in this trunk was disassembled. The shop over here already got it all assembled over here, but all this wiring, everything over here, all the sensors, including, it's pretty dark in there, but all the fuses in there, everything here was disassembled. I'm not sure what they were doing here, whoever stole it. And the weird thing is there's a little sensor over here. I think it's the antenna for the key is what they're telling me that they did take. What I'm thinking is they thought that that was the computer that shows where the car's location was, so they probably took that so it wouldn't tell where they went. But everything else is pretty good all around over here. It's just super dusty. It's weird seeing this thing over here. It looks like some kind of abandoned barn find. Other than that, the only thing that they really did to it is scuff up the lip on the bottom. You can't really see it because they gassed it out of the driveway and it's scuffed up on the bottom. But all this bumper over here was Copart because the insurance is contracted with Copart, so they held it over there at their facility, and I think they hit over here with their forklift. But that's pretty much it with the damage. This side is all good if you look all around. I didn't really get a good chance to look at it, but it looks pretty clean on this side. And the interior is just super filthy in there because the window's been open and the quality sucks. But other than that, it's just super dirty all around. So many memories with this car, rebuilding it and whatnot, and now it's just sitting here like that. All right, we made it back home, and I'll briefly go over of what happened, how the Supra got stolen. It is gonna stay at the shop now because the insurance company is working with the shop of how and what they're gonna do with it because it does have some electrical problems right now. But basically what happened is, let me turn on this front camera. So I was remodeling the inside of the garage, and that's super weird. The weather's changing on us. It is starting to sprinkle right now, so I'll try to be quick. I was remodeling the inside of the garage, so I had to take everything from the inside of the garage, put it on the side of the house. And when I was doing that, this fence over here was not there yet. So basically this was all an open area. I took everything out of the garage, put it here, and I still have to do a lot of work here, a whole bunch of landscaping in the back there. Maybe I'll show you guys later, but basically I took everything out of the garage, put it on the side of the house. This over here was all naked. So what I did is I took our Tacoma, I put it over there by the fence, kind of covering up the area, and then I covered this area over here with the Supra so you can't really see what's going on over there. And I have a Ring camera on the side of the house over there, so I kind of seen it at night what happened. Basically someone came at night trying to take stuff from the side of the house, and you could see them taking boxes and carrying them to the car over there. If I can upload the video from the Ring, I probably will, just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But they were taking stuff from the side of the house, taking it to their car, and over here was the Supra. I don't know how, but I did leave the key inside the car because when we found the car, the key was on the seat. So this key must have slipped out or something. They probably checked the door handle. The key's right there. They started the car and they drove out of here. And I'll kind of show you guys right here. I did pour fresh concrete over here, and you can still see tire tracks right there. And right, Tyson, get out of the way, and right over there where they gassed out of here and they hit the bumper on that curb over there, because the Supra is pretty low, so I kind of have to go sideways and I would still scrape right here. They basically just drove off with the car, and to top it all off, I left my wallet inside the car, so they used my credit cards at a whole bunch of stores. They tried to take a whole bunch of money out, which they of course weren't able to. I think they just had like McDonald's and bought some stuff at the gas station with it. But the sheriffs, the CHP are involved. They're still looking for them, but I don't think that's gonna get anywhere. And it's pretty crazy how we actually found the car. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know, but if you don't, make sure to follow me down below at CA Bills. But I did a whole bunch of posts on Instagram that the Supra got stolen, and got reposted on a whole bunch of different pages. We actually posted on Facebook as well, and that's how we found it. So there was just a guy driving to work. It was not far from my area, about 30 minutes away, and the car was just abandoned, parked on the side of the road. He took a couple pictures of it, sent it over, and there it was. The Supra was there. I was super surprised because it was actually the same day. I think it was stolen around 3 a.m. and they found it the same day around 3 p.m., which was pretty crazy. I didn't think it would be found that quick. I've never had anything like this happen to me, and this happened when we just moved in this house, so it was like a nice little warm, welcoming present. But that's pretty much it. I appreciate you guys watching this video. I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading for this long. I am going to be getting new builds for you guys and uploading a lot more often. Let me know what kind of build you guys would like to see next on the channel. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all the love and support. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you want to show your support on the channel, hit the like button as well. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.